Hi everyone, today in Integrated Math 1 we're going to go over Chapter 14, Lesson 7. Here are the objectives. Make sure you write them down in your notes. Alright, let's go over what glide reflection is. A glide reflection is the composition of a translation followed by a reflection in a line parallel to the translation vector. So, our example here says we have a glide reflection shown is the composition of the translation among the vector W here, followed by a reflection on line L. So here's our reflection line, and it reflects about here, but here's the vector length. Reflections in parallel lines. The composition of two reflections in parallel lines can be described by the translation vector that is perpendicular to the two lines and twice the distance between the two lines. So remember we just talked about that perpendicular, 90 degrees, and it's the twice the distance between the two lines, which is why we have 2D. Twice the distance. D stands for distance. The distance here is double between here. So we have P, P prime, and P double prime. So P double prime is twice the distance from there. Reflections and intersecting lines. The composition of two reflections in intersecting lines can be described by rotation. About the point where the lines intersect and through an angle that is twice the measure of the acute or right angle formed by the two lines, So we have our distance here, A, and we have our two lines that are intersecting, and we have our rotation. So then we have a rotation for A prime, and then A double prime, which is twice the distance. Alright, so let's just go over all these real quick. So we have glide reflections, the composition of a reflection and a translation. Translation, the composition of two reflections in parallel lines. Rotations, the composition of two reflections in intersecting lines. And that's it.